back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today for a nursery tour. Listen for real. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today for a nursery tour. Just an overview, this room used to be a robin's egg blue and we changed it to a beautiful neutral color. I don't know why, but the name Lucy, which is my baby girl's name, reminds me of bright light colors. It must be because her name means light. Whenever I think of her name, I think of bright golds and yellows and pretty white colors, a lot of neutrals. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy our beautiful baby girl's nursery tour. So the moment you enter the room, I put this beautiful white rose wreath right at the entrance. I thought it'd be a really pretty welcome into Lucy's baby room, and it matched her room super well. I got it from my mother, so thank you, Mommy, for that. I think it went perfectly with her room, and everyone who comes in loves to see it the second they walk in. And it absolutely went perfectly with the main attraction. So these three paintings, which are beautiful, were actually in me and my husband's old apartment. In our new house, there was no place for it to really go, but when I got pregnant, I was like, this is perfect. It can go in baby girl's nursery, right above her beautiful crib, which I got from IKEA. And it's really sturdy. I was also really happy with the fact that this crib color was a light wood. I didn't want the crib to really stand out as much as the paintings, so I wanted something that was a little bit more undertone and mild. Moving on to baby girl's minimalistic dresser, I really just wanted something simple and not too overpowering for the room. I just put some pictures of my girls, Emma and Corinne, on top. Those are her older sisters, so cute. And I just put a simple orchid, which is, if not real, it's a fake flower, but it looks real, so that's why I like it. And then I have these cute little unicorn shoes and a unicorn headband to match, which her aunt made her. So cute. All things unicorn this season, as you can see. And I just put it on her dresser as some decor. I really like it. And Lucy's great-grandmother crocheted this beautiful pastel hat. Absolutely beautiful. I love the colors. And a little blankie to match in her crib. Oh, those go so well together, and she's gonna have those forever and ever and ever. So beautiful. Thank you, Grandma. And to give y'all a sneak preview into Lucy's minimalistic drawers, she has some onesies in here, short sleeve and long sleeve, as well as onesies, which are footed. Keep those in there. And in here, I keep all her onesies with the footies. And these are the ones I usually put on her at night for bedtime. And in this drawer here, I have her blankets, her comfy, cozy, pretty blankets. I think that blue one is actually my husband's when he was a baby. Keep that forever. And in here we have burp cloths and receiving blankets. These are actually swaddles that Lucy never really liked to use, but I keep those in there anyways. And in her crib, just to add some playfulness, we have the two elephants. And this one we've had since we've had Emma, our firstborn, who's 6. And then we have Corinne, who is 4. And then we have to find a place to put Lucy's name on here, probably on the little feetsies. So it can say, love Lucy. They're our sweethearts. Yeah, that one's been in our family for a while, so she'll be right here next to Lucy as she sleeps. Just a quick sneak peek at the crib sheet, the gold polka dots. I thought it was super elegant and classy. Just like her beautiful curtains, which are lace. I think these are so beautiful. They're quite see-through, but they're really just for decoration. I didn't need them to like block any sunlight out or anything. They also don't touch the ground, which I think is important when you have little kids crawling around. Now on to our dreamy chandelier, which my lovely mother got me with our first daughter. Wow, that was like 3 babies ago. Made it through 3 homes, and now it's in Lucy's nursery right above the rocking chair. And baby girl loves to look right up at the chandelier as I'm nursing her, gazing into the light. I think it actually just like calms her at night, especially when she's having a little bit of a hard time going to sleep. And on the wall, we have these light up clothespins that my brother gave to me. Ugh, they're absolutely beautiful, and they went perfect with the room. I really think they add like an extra oomph to the theme of this bedroom, which is like golds and lights. Not only is it pretty, but it makes it easy to hang pictures from the wall. And right here, I just have her diaper pail in white, which I think is really discreet because I keep it right next to the changing table. So when you walk in, you can't really see it, but it's also really pretty. And then on top of this dresser, I have her changing pad, which is really just a blow up one. It was super inexpensive from IKEA. I think it was only like $8 and the cover maybe like $3, but it's perfect. And taking a sneak peek inside the drawers, we have diapers, which makes it easy for diaper changes, of course, and wipes to keep clean. We all know what wipes are for, but it definitely holds a lot in these drawers. And in the second drawer, I just have things for me and baby girl, combs and bottles, some lotions, you know, just things for me and her, like nursing pads. I do have prenatal gummies. I don't need those right now, but I decided to keep those. And a little onesie that matches her sister's little sister, big sister, middle sister shirt. So that's going to be in there forever. I'm definitely going to keep that one forever. In this bottom drawer, I just have some extra clothes that I keep in here. A cover for her little carrier. Yeah, this is a really fancy side table drawer that goes with actually a really big dresser, but I just love the look of it. It's definitely a strong piece, but not overpowering like I think a normal changing table would be. Just to give you a preview of what it looks like with the lights off, it really does create like a relaxing atmosphere during night times, feedings, nap time. I think this room is just super peaceful and beautiful. Well, that's it. I really want to thank you all for joining me on this nursery tour. I really spent a lot of time coming up with a theme for this room. I really wanted to make it relaxing and peaceful because not only is it a baby nursery, but it's a place where I come with my daughter to spend time, a place for her to dream and grow. And really, there's just a lot of special pieces in this room, and I'm just thankful that we have this beautiful place for our daughter. I really hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.